What are the pros and cons of a Gemini? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a twin? Not just any twin, but a twin who is also your best friend, your confidant, and your constant companion? Well, that's what it's like to have a Gemini. Geminis are known for their duality, their ability to be two people at once. They are both outgoing and introverted, spontaneous and thoughtful, and passionate and reserved. This can make them fascinating and unpredictable, but it can also be confusing and frustrating. In this video, we're going to explore the pros and cons of having a Gemini in your life. We'll talk about what it's like to be friends with a Gemini, what it's like to date a Gemini, and what it's like to be a Gemini yourself. Geminis are one of the 12 zodiac signs. They are represented by the twins Castor and Pollux, who were two brothers in Greek mythology. Geminis are known for their intelligence, wit, and charm. They are also known for their adaptability and their ability to see both sides of any issue. Pros of having a Gemini in your life. They are always interesting to talk to. Geminis are curious and have a wide range of interests. They are always learning new things and are always eager to share their knowledge with others. They are always up for a good time. Geminis are fun-loving and adventurous. They are always looking for new experiences and new ways to enjoy themselves. They are loyal and supportive friends. Geminis are always there for their friends, no matter what. They are willing to listen to their problems and offer advice and support. They are creative and imaginative. Geminis are always coming up with new ideas and new ways of doing things. They are able to think outside the box and find solutions to problems that others might not be able to see. They are adaptable and flexible. Geminis are able to adjust to new situations and new people quickly. They are able to go with the flow and make the best of any situation. Cons of having a Gemini in your life. They can be indecisive. Geminis often have a hard time making up their minds. They can see both sides of any issue and have a hard time choosing one over the other. They can be moody. Geminis can be prone to mood swings. They can go from being happy and upbeat to being sad and withdrawn in a matter of minutes. They can be flaky. Geminis can be unreliable and often cancel plans at the last minute. They can be secretive. Geminis can be guarded about their personal lives and can be reluctant to share their feelings with others. They can be impulsive. Geminis can make decisions without thinking them through carefully. They can also act on impulse without considering the consequences. What it's like to be friends with a Gemini. Being friends with a Gemini is a lot like being friends with two people in one. Geminis are both outgoing and introverted, so you'll need to be able to adapt to their ever-changing moods. They are also very intelligent and curious, so you'll need to be able to keep up with them intellectually. But if you can do that, you'll have a friend who is always there for you, who will make you laugh, and who will challenge you to be your best self. What it's like to date a Gemini. Dating a Gemini can be a lot of fun, but it can also be a challenge. Geminis are passionate and spontaneous, so you can never predict what they're going to do next. They are also very independent and can be reluctant to commit. But if you're looking for someone who is exciting and unpredictable, then dating a Gemini might be right for you. What it's like to be a Gemini. Being a Gemini can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, you are intelligent, creative, and adaptable. You are also fun-loving and adventurous. On the other hand, you can be indecisive, moody, and flaky. You can also be secretive and impulsive. But if you can learn to embrace your duality, then you can be a truly remarkable person. Geminis are complex and fascinating people. They can be both a blessing and a curse. But if you're looking for a friend, lover, or partner who is always interesting, always challenging, and always full of surprises, then a Gemini might be just what you're looking for.